Can Tesla Model Y wheel spacers cause vibration? People worry that the Tesla Model Y wheel spacers may cause vibration. In fact, Tesla Model Y wheel spacers will not cause any vibration. If there is a sure sign of vibration, it is strongly recommended to have a check. The thickness of the Tesla Model Y wheel spacers and the tightness of the lug nut are the two first factors you should focus on. If you make everything right, there should be no vibration issue. Most wheel vibration problems are balanced on lug-centric Tesla Model Y wheel spacer. On lug-centric spacers mean there is big hole in the middle. The lug holes are also made low to fit variety of vehicles, without a snug fit. These spacers are centered on the vehicle hub only by wheel stud. If you are using these cheap spacers, there is a high risk of wheel vibration. In this case, well-produced hub-centric Tesla Model Y wheel spacer will be the instant solution. As long as you use quality Tesla Model Y wheel spacer, install them properly, they are very safe and reliable. Since the wheel studs and lug nut use a clamping force to secure the Tesla Model Y wheel spacers and wheels, if the stud or lug nuts are not strong enough to support these forces, they will likely be bent by roll in half. The provide wheel studs or BONOSS Tesla Model Y wheel spacers are made of high-strength SCM 440 alloy steel. They achieve ISO standard 4.9. With high strength, your Tesla Model Y wheel spacers can bear more forces without breaking. Hub-centric Tesla Model Y wheel spacer keep the wheel centric and balanced on the vehicle hubs while driving. After the spacers and wheel are properly torqued, the hub-centric rings cover the gap between the center bolt of the wheel to the hub of the vehicle. Thus, hub-centric Tesla Model Y wheel spacers are important because they ensure that the wheels are perfectly secure on the vehicle. This helps to prevent any kind of vibration issues. BONOSS Tesla Model Y wheel spacers are designed with better multi-stage hub-centric rings. The hub-centric metal ring is machined to be multi-layers, and the barrels with the corresponding hub branch, which eliminating any possible gas. Besides, they are CNC machined with precision at 0.02 mm tolerance. This improves the fit and functionality of spacers. Since Tesla Model Y wheel spacers are components that can test other parts, you absolutely need high tolerance.